Okay bafethu, ngiyathemba ukuthi sonke njoba sila sizofuna ukwazi kabanzi nge3YW21 money ukuthi uyenza kanjani and futhi yini okumele uyenze ukuze uyithole. So bafethu, ngiyacela ukuthi mawufika kuleli page lami la YouTube usubscribe. Khumbula ukuthi izinto eziningi sengizozidedela la, so uma ungasubscribe, ungalike, ungacomment, because ngesikhathi ulike usubscribe nami kuba lula ukuthi ngiphendule ama comments enu, ngikuphendule ukuthi yini okumele uyenze kanjani nokuthi ama steps kumele be kanjani. So bafethu, ngiyacela ukuthi ni like and subscribe, and futhi meni subscribe nami encourage ukuthi nginivezele amanye ama video, nginisiza ngezinto eziningi njoba sazi bafethu ukuthi lemhlabeni sizosizana. So ngiyacela bafethu mawufika nje kule channel ulike, usubscribe, uqikelele ukuthi ivideo uyibuka kuze kube sekugcineni, because angifuni ukuthi umise ama steps nge3YW21 money ukuthi senza kanjani. So mhlawumbe angeke ngiqale ngokuthi ngichaze ukuthi le mali iyini. Okay, le mali i3YW21 money mina ngiqale ukuyenza ngathi my first payout was u7.5 because I cook like mhlawumbe ukuthi ikhokha like every week. Lo umuntu osuke esho njalo usuke eqambela amanga and ungamkholo ayikho lonto. Imali ikhokha monthly, it's like i-payment, it's like i-salary. Laba baza ama-salary, mawusebenza uyazi ukuthi yini salary. So injenge salary bafethu ayikhokhi every week, ikhokha every month. So i3YW21 money uyithola makunjani? I3YW21 money uyithola kuwona uTikTok ngalama steps engisazowasho mesihamba siqhubeka ngale video. So ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukuthinta leyo subscription button bese niya like ivideo, nithinte ne notification button, because i-notification button mekwenze ngidedele enye ivideo kuzoba lula ukuthi ubuyele kwi page lami. So ngiyacela bafethu nenze lezo zinto. So bafethu, le mali ngizothini, imali lena uyithola ku TikTok. So angithi kubone ku TikTok kulama video ami lo usukwabuka, ngifike ngithi search ukuthi 3YW21 money, then mase usuyisearchile uzofike ube usukhomenta kunoma yipi ivideo yami uthi 3YW21 money. Make sure ukuthi uyalike, uyafollow, uyasubscribe la. So mase usukwenzile lokho ukwazi ukuthi noma ngathiwani uyakwazi ukuclaima, because ngeke uthi uzokhomenta kwi post yomuntu ongenawo i-huge following like ama-followers amaningi. So lento idinga ukuthi ucommente kumuntu one-huge following le kuzokwazi khona ukuthi ni-engage. So khumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi ni-engage like abantu be-like comment yakho, nawe mase uya-engage, leyo nto inyusa imali yakho leya i3YW21 money. It's like njengo-Facebook, angithi ngiyenibona uFacebook abantu bayafuna ukuthi ni-commente yonke leyo nto isuke inyusa i-engagement, isuke inyusa nemali osuke ungayihola. So ngesikhathi wenza lokho ulike, usubscribe, wenza lezo zinto, yona esuke inyusa i-engagement lapha ku TikTok. Kufana nala ku YouTube ngesikhathi ulike, usubscribe, unyusa engagement, kukhona into ekuthiwa ama engagement tools lawa aholelayo, because asikhumbule ukuthi le mali iphuma phi. Mhlawumbe asike sicacise lapha imali isuke iphuma kwama lokhunjani, kwama big companies, ama company mhlawumbe anje engeke ngikwazi kwadalula because mhlawumbe ngingaboshwa, kodwa ama companies amakhulu ngicathi ngenibone eFacebook mawubuka ivideo sekuba nama ads, nala ku YouTube mawubuka ivideo kuba khona ama ads. So lawo ama ads asuke ekhokhelwe ukuthi be-advertisele nina ukuthi niwabuke. So ngesikhathi the more videos uwabuka la ku YouTube noma ku TikTok noma ku Facebook, it's the more revenue you can earn, yabo. So lento kahle le mali lesuyikhokhwa ama companies, let's say ucompany A uzokhokha mhlambe let's say 5 billion rand, yabo, because lama company anemali, they're filthy rich. So 5 billion rand is like mhlambe 1% of le mali abayenzayo. So banemali lo 5 billion, wena mhlambe uthola u1% because abantu baningi lemhlabeni. So wena uthola u1% of which is ile mali lengisuke ngisho. Le mali lena isuke ikhokhelwe ngenxa yokuthi basuke be-advertiser, not ukuthi mhlambe ngizothini, not ukuthi mhlambe imali ovela uyithole isuke ikhokhwa ama big companies. Mhlambe abantu abaningi bazi bangibuza ukuthi ngeke uTikTok vele ukhokhele. Yes, vele ngeke usuke uvele ukhokhele, no YouTube usuke ngeke ukhokhele, but i-engagement more engager then usuyakwazi ukuthi, because angithi uyakwazi ukuthi wena ubuka amalokhunjani ama ads, the more ubuka ama ads the more ukhokhela. Ingakho sithola ama apps amaningi anjengo OKX lawa akwazi ukuthi ukhokhele abantu ngokuthi ubarefeyile ukuthi bejoin i-app. So ngicabanga lezo zinto niyibonile, ngicabanga 2024 beyenzeka leyo nto, ngicabanga basamile okwamanje. So bafethu ngiyacela nginikhumbuze njalo ukuthi ngiyacela bafethu nisubscribe nilike njengoba ngisanichazela nge3YW21 Money ukuthi uyithola kanjani uma ufuna ukuyenza, and amanye amavidiyo ngisazowadede ngiphendule imibuzo. So ngiyacela ukuthi usubscribe, ulike le video, uyishare nabanye beyibone ukuze bafethu imali singayenzi sodwa, umhobholo awufuneki nje semhlabeni kumele siphilisane. So ngiyacela futhi unilike and subscribe. So lapha ku TikTok njoba ngishilo kule post yami ukuthi i3YW21 Money idinga ukuthi u-engage. So the more you engage, the more you comment kwama video, yonke into le esukishiwo uyenza, the more i-revenue yakho inyuka. So lapha ku TikTok uyakwazi ukuyiclaima imali, uyakwazi uya kwama settings ukuthi ngeke ngiye in details because mhlawumbe YouTube ngayivala video yami. Ingakho ngithi bafethu subscribe ni like and following ngidedela amanye amavidiyo ngichaza kalula. Yabo uyakwazi ukuthi uyiclaim lo mali moyiclaima uyiclaima iba ngicatha ama-dollars, yabo, because angithi ilokunyani US isebenzisa ama-dollars, and I think originally it's okay, the app is not originally from US, TikTok, but I think kuba khona network imali ba ama-dollars, then you convert it to rand. So moto like let's say $20, I think it's close to like 500 to 400 rand depending on the economy nokuthi izinto zihamba kanjani, inflation, onke lezo zinto. Njengoba sazi ukuthi izinto nyuke, inflation is high, the value of the dollar will decrease, the value of the rand will decrease because like oil is in demand. But asikho lapho singazi siye in details, sisachaza nge3YW21 Money. Ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi ni subscribe ni like njengoba ngiqhubeka. So i3YW21 Money njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uyakwazi ukuhamba ufike usearch ukuthi ulokunjani retrieve my ilokunjani lento ama funds, retrieve my funds, then bazobe sebekuthatha directly ku website lo zobusufaka khona ama information akho nezinto engeke ngikwazi ukuzisho la kule video, kodwa izinto ezizokwenza ukuthi uhole ngicathe niyazi ngisho ngani because I can't say it la ku video. I think my video might get banned. So lapho basosebecela ukuthi imininingwane usuyafaka then imali usuyayithola kanjalo. So bafuna ngiyacela ni subscribe ni like amanye amavidiyo ngisazowadedela because ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi yonke information ngiyisho ku video yodwa. So ngiyacela bafethu ni like ni subscribe, ni share i-video, ni comment, ngizowaphendula ama-comment, nithenele yo notification button. Nje ngiyacela futhi ni subscribe amanye amavidiyo ngisazowadedela.